Polkadot could slide 1.4% by July 26, 30 rates shows. Before we dive in, let's take a look at the market right now. At the time of this recording, Polkadot shows a 0.3% increase and is trading close to $0.814. Let's check today's expert outlooks. Gov Capital Collector sees the asset moving to $0.822 by tomorrow, which would mean a gain of 1.1%. CoinCodex projects Polkadot will decline towards $0.812, implying a drop of 0.1%. CoinLore notes it could slip to $0.807, a fall close to 0.8%. A separate forecast released by 30 Rates projects Polkadot may drift down to $0.802, roughly 1.4% lower. And in closing, Traders Union targets $0.794 by July 26, down about 2.4%. This is the most profitable setup we've seen. That's all 5 opinions on tomorrow. Let's see what's next. We've reviewed the outlooks. Now let's look at performance data. Based on the spread of views, the price may move between a drop of 2.4% and an increase of 1.1%. So it turns out Traders Union will deliver the highest return with 2.4% increase in value by July 26. Based on these results, you could generate between $1 and $24 for every $1,000 you invest. In terms of probabilities, CoinCodex's forecast stands above the rest, showing an 88.7% chance of success. From the full range of forecasts, I've drawn a unified consensus outlook. Consensus modeling places Polkadot nearly unchanged at approximately $0.808. Let's see exactly what that means. The consensus estimate points to a 0.7% decline by tomorrow. By that same margin, your capital might also go up. For every 1,000 placed into the position, the forecast could mean around $7 added. Consensus calculations suggest the scenario has a probability of around 85.3%. At this moment, let's examine the short-term 3-day views. Gov Capital Collector highlights a bullish outlook for Polkadot. CoinCodex expects Polkadot to hover near its current price. A drop is expected by CoinLore, reinforcing the downside view. Also, 30 Rates points to further downside potential. Traders Union anticipates calm trading, with Polkadot unlikely to break out of its present range. Looking at all forecasts combined, the consensus suggests Polkadot will hover close to its current levels during this horizon. Bringing the forecast together, 60% of analysts expect Polkadot to soften. 5 sites posted forecasts 2 days ago. Now we'll check them against yesterday's numbers. In the end, the trading session closed at $0.809. The closing price showed that just a handful of forecasts were accurate. CoinPrice forecast demonstrated the strongest accuracy. Now let's structure the results. Just one outlook proved consistent with the daily span. For ROI performance, some analysts stayed above zero, with the maximum gain at 3.5%. Now on screen is the overview table, all results at a glance. For context, CoinCodex shows 1.7% ROI and $0.014 accuracy. Look across the results. Who do you think performed the best overall? And now let's take a look at how the expected returns for tomorrow compare across different cryptocurrencies based on consensus forecasts. Forecast comparisons place Polkadot at second place, with Mantle forecasting 1.1%. Here we're looking at Polkadot next to 4 random cryptocurrencies. A wider profitability comparison is now live on my website. Thanks for watching till the end. If this saved you time or gave you clarity, a like would mean a lot. Catch you in the next analysis.